Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram. You cannot see this post problem on Instagram application. You cannot see this post error on Instagram. Usually happens due to privacy setting, account issues or app's temporary problem. Let's see how to fix. You cannot see this post error problem on Instagram. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Search airplane mode. Click on airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode. Then turn off airplane mode. Again search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 3. Open your Instagram app. Go to profile picture. Again click on three line. Scroll down. Click on help. Tap on report a problem. Again click on report problem. Click on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram account, you cannot see this post problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. Step 4. Long page or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 5. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You can follow all of the steps to fix in Instagram. You cannot see this post problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.